Hello and welcome back to the next part of modelling the Ferrari F40 in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel pop up in the searches. Anyway, so joke already. Nice start. So first off, we're going to need some reference images. When I say some, I mean a huge amount, more than merrier really. So any different angle you can find, just save them to your folder where you've saved the project file. So a nice simple search basically, whichever engine you prefer. Ferrari F40, click on the images. Like I say, any angle's good. Already have that one, that's the thumbnail. Slightly different angle. Bigger size the better also, because you can zoom into them. Right, so we'll just do a right click, save image as, and save. It's a decent looking one, slightly below. I'll not do this on too many because it'll get rather boring very, very quickly. Ferrari F40 buying guide. Yes, we can afford one. Another decent size. Nice shot of the rear. Save. Save. Could do with, since we're starting on the front, concentrate on the front. No, they're on with the lights up. That looks good. Right, get that one also. I'm sure I could model those lights animating. Yeah, this is getting boring already, isn't it? Ooh, nice breakdown of the car there, that looks good. Not sure we'll need that, but we can easily go back to that. Oh, nothing nicer than seeing a supercar on fire. Oh, panels open, that could be handy. I'll take that one. And that one. Alright, so yeah, see, I'll not drag this bit out because it could be very boring. I just need, how can I put it? Just strange angles. Like here we can see when that panel is open, you can see how that creates that face there, shall we say, and how deep this bumper is around here. So we'll just might as well take that one also. There we go, what's that? 3, 6, 7, 8. I think 8 will do for now. Not that we're modelling the engine, but that'd be nice just to do maybe the top of it, if we can see it through the rear window. Anyway, that'll do for now, I think, with them images. So I'll just drop back into Blender. So next part will be, we'll start on the front end. Oh great, my mouse middle button's playing up again. Anyway, catch you in the next one.